Hey everybody, it's Erin from theyouthmethod.com, and I'm here today to show you a Pilates leg workout. So this is really going to work on your legs and your thighs. It's going to help thin that whole area out, make it seem long, lean, and really sexy. So I'm excited to show it to you. You're going to set your Gym Boss timer for 60, and then 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 60, 30, okay? So again, it's 60 and then 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 60, 30. And you're gonna do that 2 rounds through because we're gonna do it on both legs. So the first round is gonna be for the right, second round for the left. So we're gonna start with our Pilates forward and back kick. So I'm gonna kind of show you at an angle just because of room constraints in here. But you're gonna lie in a straight line on your mat. You're gonna keep your hips stacked, and what that means is you don't want that top hip rolling forward or back. You really wanna be conscious of pulling your abs in and controlling that hip, making sure they stay stacked. And then you're gonna lift the foot just a bit so it's about hip width apart, and you're gonna come forward and pulse, and back and pulse. Forward and pulse, back and pulse. And you're gonna do this for a full 60 seconds. Really make sure you get a nice pulse forward and back, and that the leg isn't kind of all swaying all over the place. It's almost in a nice straight line, almost like you're gliding across a shelf. So it should be very nice and controlled like that. So pulse forward and pulse back. And then we're gonna go straight into, you're gonna do the other side on the next round. So I'm just gonna show you all on one side. So then you're going to do the Pilates tap. And what that is you're just gonna tap the floor 3 times and come up and tap the floor back 3 times. Forward 3 times, back 3 times. Forward 3 times, back 3 times. And when you come up, it's like a quick whip, up, up. Okay, so tap, 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 up. Tap, 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 up. Tap, 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 up. And you're alternating between forward and back. And you're gonna do that for 30 seconds. Okay, so and this whole time you're really thinking about keeping those hips nice and stacked. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the Pilates leg circles. And we're gonna start with big circles first. We're gonna go forward. And we're gonna go forward for 30 seconds. So again, this is an area that's really important to pay attention to where your hip is. You're not letting it sway backwards. You're not letting it sway forward. So really squeezing your glutes and your abs for control, okay? Because your body should be nice and stable. So you're gonna do that for 30 seconds forward, and you're gonna go 30 seconds back. And again, hips are stacked, okay? Now we're gonna go into the small circles. Same thing, hips are stacked, but the circle is much smaller. And you would think this would be easier, but it's not, because you really have to stay nice and controlled. So again, you don't want the circles coming way out here or way in the back. You want the hips stacked and nice and controlled, and then you're gonna go the opposite way. Okay, and that's 30 seconds forward, 30 seconds back. Okay, now what are we gonna do here? Okay, so now we're gonna do the back pedal. So this is almost like you're riding a bike backwards. So you're gonna push back, forward with a straight leg, bend, push back, forward, bend, push back, forward, bend. And again, be very intentional. Make sure your hips are stacked. Make sure your body isn't moving all over the place. Your abs are tight. And that's for 30 seconds. And then I'll show you this one like this. This is your last one, and then you're gonna switch to the other side for a full 10 minutes. Is you're gonna have your toes pointed down towards the floor. This is really important because it's gonna really focus on getting your gluteus medius, okay? So toes are pointed down, and you lift up. Again, hips are stacked. You're not going all over the place. My toes are pointed down toward the floor. So I'm leading with my heel up to the ceiling. And that is gonna be 30 seconds, okay? And so then what you would do is you would just repeat that whole thing, but do it on the other side. And that will be your full 10 10-minute Pilates leg workout. Really great for just toning those legs and the butt. It's really an all over workout because you're using your abs as well. So I hope you liked it. If you did, be sure to press the like button below the video. And just like all of my workouts, these are gonna help you burn fat, but you really need to think about your diet too. So if you need a full plan to help you with your diet and workouts, I have a free gift for you below called my 72-hour Flat Belly Detox. Comes with workouts, meal plans, and recipes for 3 days to help you start burning fat, and you're gonna feel amazing, you're gonna have better energy, you're gonna look and feel younger. So be sure to take advantage of it and let me know what you think of it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you get more notifications of when my new workouts come out. And you can also comment below if you have other types of workouts you'd love to see. So we'll see you guys next time.